Bonjour and welcome to French 1 with Mr. McCoy. This is lesson 32, dedicated to the regular French verb être, which is the French equivalent of our English verb to be. Okay? Now, our learning objective for this lesson is for you at the end of the lesson to be able to conjugate être in the present tense. It's going to mean being able to spell out the forms correctly and also give the spoken form or pronounce them correctly as well. Okay? So again, I can't overstate here at the beginning how important this verb is. This is probably the most frequently used verb in French, and one of the two verbs that we use in French in the formation of a compound tense. Okay, the other one is going to be avoir. Okay, in other words, avoir and être these are our two helping verbs in French. So if you want to go on to second, third, fourth semester French, you need to know those two kind of like the back of your hand. Okay, so let's get right to it. What are the forms of this verb? Okay, so here are your subject pronouns. Listen first. Let me repeat these for you real quick. Okay, or read them for you real quick. We have je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, on est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. This time, repeat after me. Okay, out loud. Okay. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, on est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Encore une fois, répétez après moi, à haute voix. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, on est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Okay? Take some time. Repeat that out loud. Get on the flashcard. Practice writing down, okay? Drill that, okay? And before we wrap this up, we're going to be discussing school supplies, pointing things out, identifying objects, okay? I'll go and show you where you've seen this before and add a bit more to what you know about identifying things, okay? So again, you already know how to ask what something is, I hope. Sounds familiar? You know what this is? And have the handy question. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Okay? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Hopefully you already know how to identify a few objects, okay? You know how to say, c'est un crayon. C'est un crayon. C'est une feuille de papier. C'est une feuille de papier. Ce sont des stylos. Ce sont des stylos. That's new, okay? Beforehand, we've been just identifying one object at a time, okay? C'est un crayon. C'est une feuille de papier. Now you know how to identify a noun in the plural, okay? These are pens. Ce sont des stylos. Ce sont des stylos, okay? Now, one other thing that's going to be new, how to say what something is not, okay? For example, you can also say, ce n'est pas un livre. Ce n'est pas un livre. Or, ce ne sont pas des crayons. Ce ne sont pas des crayons. Okay? C'est un cahier. C'est un cahier. Ce sont des stylos. Okay? Ce n'est pas un stylo. Ce n'est pas un stylo. C'est un crayon. Okay? C'est un crayon. Okay? So again, you should be able to conjugate that verb. We'll see many more uses for that in the near future. But also know how to point out what things are and also what things aren't. Okay? Alright? Again, practice. Practice, practice. And if you really are curious, you can find on YouTube, if you like videos, kids rapping, singing, dancing, you can probably find videos presenting the conjugation of this verb on YouTube. Okay? High school kids like yourselves dancing, okay, doing all sorts of crazy stuff. If you want to learn it that way, go right to it, okay? But you should, know me well enough by now. That's not really my style, okay? But those are the forms in this video. That's what I want you to be able to produce, okay? Je suis, tu es, il est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont. Ok? Pour les exemples. Alright? Merci, bonne chance, bon courage et au revoir.